Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes a video. 1,000 likes, that's it. Take 2 seconds, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't made the most of your cryptocurrency experience. I'm going to help you be very successful and profitable in this market. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Let me catch you up real quick, kind of what my day's been like. You know, obviously we've been trading, Bitcoin, altcoins, and Bitcoin earlier today. This is essentially what I thought would be a falling broadening wedge. I mean, you can see clearly it's a descending triangle that broke to the downside, right? So this is a bearish pattern. Well, I'm looking at $15,000 support right here. Okay. Now, you got a falling wedge on the RSI, so it matches up. However, you get this move to the downside and you get this bearish retest. You're looking for 15,000 to hold. Oversold on the RSI. Well, then I noticed on the daily time frame, you got bearish divergence playing out. I mean, this is a $1,000 move to the downside, bearish divergence on a daily time frame. And so then I'm like, whoa, guys, maybe this guy is rolling over. And so I'm looking for this bearish retest, and there was not a bunch of support down here. Of course, all the Biden news comes out, and everybody's blaming it on the presidential election and whatnot. And so there's some technical ideas that we could see play by play on this. I'm calling all this out in the group. And I love this tensor charts. This is a heat map, and you can see there's no buyers down here. I'm thinking, dude, this is going to be a quick move to the downside. And then there was about 325 Bitcoin buy wall that showed up, but not really many buyers down here. Is that 14,500? And you can see the price action came down to about 14,200. Bounced. But you can see the candles closed at about 14,500. So, I mean, it's been pretty crazy afternoon for Bitcoin. Okay, before we get into Bitcoin now, the current Bitcoin scenario, I got a few shout outs from my trading group. These are pretty amazing. So yesterday we just destroyed this market. Like, it was killer. YFI and YFII setups just destroyed the world. So this person, he says they were paying the bills. He was up $4,500. This person, he said, thanks to the whole team and the group, I doubled my portfolio. With this person, really touched me. She reached out. She's like, I cried twice today looking at the profits I made. At my old job, it would take me 3 weeks to make that amount that I made in 24 hours. Keep doing what you're doing. After reading this, I was just like thinking, like, this is one of the best feelings in the world. Like, this is why I do this every single day. Like, it's phenomenal to see people. She didn't know how to trade at all when she came into the group. This person, $6,600 in profit on Wi-Fi and Link. He called me the Rainmaker. I was like, really? This is probably one of the biggest trades. Imagine one trade and you 14x your money. 1,486% long on Wi-Fi. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. All right, so this is current Bitcoin chart. So obviously Bitcoin's had a tremendous pullback from 16,000 was the recent top. Didn't quite get to the 16,250. 16,000, and then I'm looking, okay, you got this really long wick here. Now this is not good. This means, you know, there's a bunch of sellers up here. I talked to you guys last video or the video before that about this idea where we ran up to 14,000 and then we pulled back to about 11,500, about a $2,500 drop in over a course of a week. So the question is, you get these long wick reversals where the trend reverses. Blow off top, you had it up here. Blow off top, you had it here. Is this a blow off top and we're looking for a big reversal? Now, it's completely reasonable to think that, you know, you put in a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. This is still bullish to put in a higher low down here. Okay, and so again, at this point, just an idea. We need confirmation on a lot of different time frames, weekly time frame. So let's just keep you updated on this idea. This is a bullish scenario. That is possible. So on the 1 hour chart, again, you got your break to the downside, which was definitely a pretty big rollover for Bitcoin. And 14,550, if this holds, possibly this is forming a falling wedge. You know, Bitcoin just slowly, it's still a bullish pattern. I mean, 14,550 breaks, like it's, you know, 14,000, 13,800, possibly lower. But if it holds, you know, Bitcoin just ranges. And somebody said, is altcoin season over? Because, you know, yesterday was just ridiculous. Like it was, man, the altcoins were just on fire. And so, and I'm going to talk to you guys about this idea, how this could potentially help the altcoins, give the altcoins some breathing room. And this is very important. We have to recognize, look at this. Okay, these are the losses. You see Bitcoin is down 5%. Bad day for Bitcoin. But look at this. This is weird. Ethereum's only down 4%. XRP is down 3%. Bitcoin Cash is down only 1%. Litecoin's down 3%. Normally, if Bitcoin has a 5% pullback, these guys are down 10, 12%, right? Well, Bitcoin dominance, and we're going to talk about this, Bitcoin dominance didn't bounce. So we're going to talk about altcoin season, mini altcoin season, these altcoins being able to breathe and take off. And so we'll get to that in just a minute. So again, that would be based on this idea as far as Bitcoin just kind of ranging lower. This is still would be a bull flag, right? There's a lot of speculation here. However, what kind of adds validity to this entire idea is that you got a falling wedge down here on the RSI, okay? And so you're close to oversold. I mean, still this could roll over, but you're close to oversold here. You know, these break higher 68% of the time. I mean, this at some point you're going to get a bounce here. When this does break higher, it's going to essentially match the price action. You got your stochastic climbing higher, your MACD starting to curve higher, so possibly this holds. We'll have to see. But again, there wasn't a whole lot of support right here. This is called a low volume node, and you can use the VPVR. See how there's this huge gap? There's just not a bunch of trading volume that's happened in this area. And so, again, you look for, you know, quick moves through this area when this happens, but would be bullish to see 14,550 hold. Of course, you got this bounce now. Bitcoin ran up to about 15,000, and now it's 14,842. A big picture, I mean, you pull a fib on this, and you know that the golden pocket, the golden ratio, Dow theory would say a pullback in here is plausible. You know, 12,900 to 12,173. Like, this is part of it. It's the weekend right now, so I don't put a whole lot of stock in this move, right? Biden, everybody thinks Biden's raising the taxes, but all this Biden, the Bitcoin selling off because Biden won the election, FUD, right? Is that what caused this? And retraces at the end of the day are normal and part of it. But again, we guys have to take it level by level. This is a 236 fib level here, and then potentially at 14,000, or even the 382 at 13.6. I mean, you still get a bounce and a continuation higher, but a lot of things have to be gathering data right now. There's still a ton of information that we need to gather, right? This is just brand new, just happening now. But you can see on the tensorcharts.com, you can see all the buyers are stacked down here at 14,000. If this price action comes down to 14,000, your strongest group of buyers is stacked down here. Everybody's waiting. Everybody's waiting to buy Bitcoin here. This is a bullish retest. We talked about this idea yesterday in detail. We said, hey, if Bitcoin comes down to 14,000, it's totally in the cards, and this is where the buyers are sitting at. And like I said, Joe Biden in the news, crypto impact unclear after Joe Biden unseats Donald Trump as the next United States president. Everybody's pointing their fingers at this event is causing this pullback for Bitcoin. This is a YFI trade. Check this out. And like I didn't get in, I didn't nail the bottom on this. It was by the breakout. And it's just bam, 60% gains. It shot up here, retrace, but 60% gains. Like that thing was amazing. You gotta notice this. Like the point of this is, yeah, we had some good trading. That's not the point. The point is this. Things are different right now. Things are different. Look at these altcoins, right? Again, if you don't have a Binance account, go to Binance, make an account. There's a link in the description. Dude, these altcoins is where the money's at. For me, I like trading these altcoins. Look at these altcoins. 27%, 22%, 22%, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 12, 11, 10. There's still a page full of double-digit gains after this big Bitcoin move. Normally, this would be just like red, wrecked city. And that's after a huge pullback. So what I want you to notice is a lot of these smaller caps right now are just doing something different. This is important. Like we want to see these altcoins run. People take their Bitcoin profits. This is good for these altcoins because people take Bitcoin profits. They made a ton of money over the last month in Bitcoin. And then these altcoins are decimated. These altcoins have been beaten down. There's a ton of money to be made in these altcoins. And people start buying altcoins. So Bitcoin slowly trending lower. Good for the altcoins. I'll show you this. You can see this is Bitcoin dominant. It's at this support level. It got huge rejection. Yesterday in one day, this huge candle led to all those gains that we had. Okay, this I just want to teach you guys this, right? It's not about the gains. It's about the potential here. You pay attention to this. This altcoin season right here, I mean, people were 3, 5, 7x in their portfolios right here in 3 months. Okay, so this is how it all starts. Are we there yet? No. But you got the RSI leaving oversold. You got the stochastic RSI headed lower. If this support breaks, the altcoins will start to run. I mean, they're still moving well. Ethereum, important Ethereum update. So Ethereum, of course, we had a trade on this, broke out to the upside, ran up to $465. You still have Ethereum 2.0 coming at December 1st. And there's a ton of Ethereum being staked already. This is hot, right? This got some upside. Now, Ethereum pulled back into the 382 fib level, which is kind of a common retrace, right? In a bullish trend. And so, again, not the worst thing in the world. Now, if you were to get a pullback to the 0.5 at 418, like this would be an amazing buy level because your breakout volume really happened in this area. And this pattern is almost like a kind of a cup and handle pattern right here, right? And so, again, your strongest group of buyers, if there's any type of pullback down here to $418, buy signal for Ethereum. Like, Ethereum's got some upside over the next 3 weeks, okay? And this is key because, yeah, Bitcoin had a pullback, but Ethereum really didn't get destroyed like it normally would. Like we talked about, Ethereum's down less than Bitcoin. Where do they do that at? When do you guys see that? Like, it's important. You've got to notice how these altcoins correlate with Bitcoin to nail these altcoin seasons. The money, the life-changing money in this market is made in the altcoins. Great. Bitcoin lost 5%. No one wanted to lose 5%. But this could be a very positive signal for the altcoins. You guys that have been watching the channel for a while know that I can nail these altcoin seasons real well. And this bounce, I made 3 videos on this bounce, and I can nail when these altcoins are going to capitulate and get destroyed. I'm really good. That's one of my strengths for sure. is trading these altcoins and note how these seasons, altcoin season, like this is a mini altcoin season. This is not altcoin season that happened one time ever when Bitcoin ran up to all-time high. That'll still come, but that's going to take Bitcoin again running to all-time high and then the pullback and then the money flowing into the altcoins. But essentially, we had an amazing run out of Bitcoin and potentially setting ourselves up for the altcoins to take off. One thing that really gets me excited about Ethereum is Ethereum 2.0 is on track. 42,272 Ethereum have been deposited to the deposit address. And so this shows a ton of optimism around Ethereum. Again, this is big news for Ethereum. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.